this video, we are going to discuss about how to check number is prime or not in Python. My name is Basha. Welcome to Python program to practice for beginners. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. First, what is prime number? Prime number is a special number which is greater than 1 and that have only two factors. The two factors are themselves and 1. So by the definition, the number is prime when it satisfies the two conditions. The two conditions are the number should be greater than 1 and number should be have only two factors. The two factors are themselves and 1. So to check a condition, we use if conditions. We already know that. So see here. First, I'll take a variable n. N is equal to, I'll take input from user, input, enter a number. Now, as soon as user enter the number, our program have to print whether this number is prime or not. If n is less than or equal to 1, then it is not prime, right? According to the first condition, number should be greater than 1. So when n value is less than or equal to 1, it is not prime. So to print n is not a prime. Else, this condition fails. When this condition fails, when the value is greater than 1, then we need to check the second condition. The second condition is the number should have only two factors. The two factors are themselves and 1. There, for I in range of 2, n. Here this I will take numbers from 2 to n minus 1. If you are already familiar with this for loop and range function, you will understand. If the n value is 10, this range function will take 2 to 9 only, not 10, okay? 2 to n minus 1. I already made a video on for loops in Python tutorial for beginners from scratch playlist. The link is in description below and above icons. If you want to know more about this for loops, please check that video. Now, see here, if n modulus I is equal to 0, then print n is not prime, right? Prime number. In the range of 2 to n minus 1, if any number divides the value of n and gives the remainder 0, then it will become factor of that n. So prime number have only two factors. The two factors are themselves and 1. So if this condition becomes 2, then it is not prime. Next, I'll break this loop. If this condition became true in only one time, then no need to check again, because other than the number and 1, there is another factor, then it is not prime. So I'll break this, and else this condition fail and the number is prime number. That's it. This is Python program to check whether a number is prime number or not. I'll save this. I'll run this in my command prompt. See here, this is my command prompt. I'll change the color so you'll think. I think now it is visible clearly. My code is in program 5.py. So I run this code. Here it is asking for enter a number. So I'll give 5. See here, it's print 5 is a prime number. I'll again run this code. Again it is asking enter a number. So now this time I'll give 6. 6 is not a prime number because 6 factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. There are 4 factors. So it is not prime number. These are prime numbers from 1 to 100. The prime numbers start from 2. 1 is not prime number. I'll again run this code. For example, if you give 79, which is a prime number, 79 is a prime number. If you give 78, it is not prime number, 78 is not prime number. So this is Python program to check whether a number is prime or not. And in this video, we use if conditions. So if you want to learn more about these if conditions, watch this video, click on this video. That's it for this video friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.